Philippines Performance Night. And here's your host, Casey Concepcion.
Mga kapamilya ngayon, para masimulan na ang laban, I give to you the X Factor Judges!
Cherries and Pilita.
Dahil ito ay ating first ever live show and I'm sure na ang pressure ay talagang napaka-taas na, napaka-bigat na ng pressure sa inyo. Judge Martin, matanong ko na kayo.
Hello!
Judge Martin! Paano niyo po finalir ang pag-mentor sa ating mga contestants, lalo na ang contestants sa bawat category ng apat na judges natin?
Every single moment that I have to text or tweet ako sa kanila para matulog maaga, watch what you eat, stop talking. Ginawa ko lahat para ma-ready sila dito sa first of many, many great nights to come.
Alright, and this is the start. Judges, very nice to see you again. This is your show. Mga kapamilya, it is time for me to say, it is time for the showdown to begin! Performer for tonight.
All right, here we go, folks. All is clear. Systems are going from my group in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All is clear, folks. Take off.
I finally see a group na balanse.